Softwood is everywhere. Look around your home. Chances are you'll spot it in your furniture, flooring, and even the framing holding everything up. Why is softwood so popular? It's readily available, affordable, and easy to work with. Plus, it comes in a variety of species, each with unique properties. Let's dive into the world of softwood and discover its secrets. Softwood comes from coniferous trees. These are the trees that have needles and cones instead of leaves and flowers. Think pine, cedar, and fir. These trees grow fast and are readily available, making softwood a sustainable and affordable choice. Softwood is generally lighter in color than hardwood. It often has a straight grain, which makes it easy to cut and shape. Softwood is known for its strength-to-weight ratio. This means it's surprisingly strong for how light it is. It's also a good insulator, keeping your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Now, don't let the name softwood fool you. The term softwood can be misleading. It doesn't mean it's weak or flimsy. In fact, softwoods can be incredibly robust and versatile. While it's true that some hardwoods are denser and harder than softwoods, many softwoods are incredibly strong and durable. For instance, softwoods like pine, cedar, and spruce are often used in construction and furniture making. Think about Douglas fir, a common softwood used in construction. It's known for its strength and resilience. It's incredibly strong and can handle heavy loads. This makes it a preferred choice for structural applications such as beams and trusses. The main difference lies in the cellular structure of the wood. Softwoods have a simpler cell structure, which can make them lighter and easier to work with. Hardwoods come from deciduous trees, the ones that lose their leaves in the fall. These trees include species like oak, maple, and walnut. They have a more complex cell structure, which often makes them denser and harder. This density can be beneficial for certain applications, such as flooring and high-quality furniture. But remember, both softwoods and hardwoods have their own strengths and are suitable for different applications. Whether you're building a house, crafting furniture, or creating art, understanding the properties of each type of wood can help you choose the right material for your project. Let's meet some of the most popular softwood species and explore their unique characteristics. Pine, the versatile all-rounder. Pine is a go-to choice for many projects. It's affordable, readily available, and easy to work with. There are many varieties of pine, each with its own characteristics. White pine is known for its fine, even grain and ease of working. It's great for carving, furniture making, and interior trim. Yellow pine, on the other hand, is a bit harder and more durable than white pine. It's often used for flooring, beams, and outdoor projects. Cedar, naturally resistant and aromatic. Cedar is famous for its beautiful reddish hue and its distinct, pleasant aroma, but its real strength lies in its natural resistance to decay and insects. This makes it perfect for outdoor projects like decks, fences, and siding. Cedar is also a popular choice for lining closets and chests, as its aroma repels moths and other insects. Douglas fir, the strong and sturdy choice. Douglas fir is a workhorse in the construction world. It's incredibly strong and stiff, making it ideal for structural framing, beams, and posts. It's also used for flooring, plywood, and even furniture. Douglas fir has a distinctive straight grain with a reddish-brown hue. It takes well to staining and finishing, making it a versatile choice for various applications. Spruce is known for its resonant qualities, making it a favorite for musical instruments like guitars and violins. It's also lightweight and strong, making it suitable for construction lumber, plywood, and even aircraft construction in the past. Spruce is generally light in color with a straight grain. It's easy to work with and takes finishes well. Hemlock is a strong and durable softwood with a fine, uniform texture. It's often used for framing lumber, sheathing, and flooring. Hemlock is also known for its smooth surface, making it ideal for moldings, trim, and furniture. One thing to note about hemlock is that it's not as naturally resistant to decay as cedar or redwood. So, it's essential to protect it with proper finishes. especially for exterior applications. Redwood. Weathering the elements in style. Redwood is prized for its stunning reddish-brown colour and its exceptional resistance to decay and insects. This makes it a premium choice for outdoor projects like decks, fences, siding and outdoor furniture. Redwood is naturally beautiful, and a simple oil finish is often enough to protect and enhance its natural colour. However, it can be more expensive than other softwoods. Comparing softwoods, a quick guide. Here's a quick comparison of the softwoods we've discussed. Feature pine cedar, Douglas fir spruce hemlock, redwood hardness, soft to medium, soft medium to hard, soft to medium, medium, medium to hard workability, easy, easy, moderate, durability, moderate, high, moderate, high, very high color, white to yellow, reddish brown, light, brown, reddish brown grain, straight, uniform, straight best, uses furniture, trim decks, siding, construction instruments, framing, trim outdoor projects. Working with softwood tips and techniques. Working with softwood is generally easier than hardwood. Softwood is lighter, more flexible, and often less expensive, making it a popular choice for many woodworking projects, especially for beginners. But here are a few tips to make your projects even smoother and more enjoyable. Whether you're crafting furniture, building shelves, or creating decorative pieces, these techniques will help you achieve professional results. Choose the right wood. Select the species that best suits your project based on its properties and your budget. For example, pine is a common softwood that's easy to work with and widely available, while cedar is more resistant to moisture and decay, making it ideal for outdoor projects. Pre-drill pilot holes. Softwood can split easily, so it's always a good idea to pre-drill pilot holes, especially when driving screws near the edges. This simple step can save you a lot of frustration and ensure a more secure and stable assembly. Use sharp tools. Sharp saws, chisels and planes will give you cleaner cuts and smoother surfaces. Dull tools can tear the wood fibers, leading to rough edges and a less polished look. Regularly sharpening your tools will make your work easier and more precise. Sanding is key. Softwood can be a bit fuzzy after cutting. Sanding with progressively finer grits will give you a smooth and professional finish. Start with a coarser grit to remove any rough spots, then move to finer grits for a silky smooth surface. Finishing touches. Apply a finish to protect your project from moisture, dirt and wear and tear. A good finish not only enhances the appearance of the wood, but also extends the life of your project. You can choose from a variety of finishes, such as paint, stain, varnish or oil. Each type of finish offers different levels of protection and aesthetic appeal. So consider the final look you want to achieve and the conditions your project will face. Conclusion. Embrace the world of softwood. Softwood is a versatile and valuable material that plays a vital role in our lives. It is derived from coniferous trees such as pine, spruce and fir, which grow quickly and are readily available. This makes softwood an economical choice for many applications. From the homes we live in to the furniture we use, softwood surrounds us. Its lightweight and ease of use make it a favorite among builders and craftsmen. Softwood is not only functional, but also adds a touch of natural beauty to our living spaces. Understanding the different types of softwood and their unique properties empowers you to make informed decisions for your projects. For instance, pine is known for its strength and workability, while cedar is prized for its resistance to decay and insect damage. So, the next time you're planning a woodworking project or simply admiring the beauty of a wooden structure, take a moment to appreciate the versatility and wonder of softwood. Remember, knowledge is power. By knowing the characteristics of different softwoods, you can choose the best material for your needs, ensuring durability and aesthetic appeal. Do your research, explore different options, and don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. Happy woodworking! Whether you're a seasoned professional or a DIY enthusiast, the world of softwood offers endless possibilities for creativity and innovation.